Ciao, friends. Guess where we are? Taormina. This is the Piazza Duomo. Beautiful fountain. First time back here since March, since the lockdown. So I wanted to take you for a little bit of a walk through this beautiful city on top of a hill. Of course, prized possession for many conquerors. Fortunately, some of these stores are still closed up. Over here, straight ahead, is the Municipal Building. You can see the European flag, the Italian flag, and the flag of Sicily. And I don't know if you can see the Star of David over there, signifying all the Jews that were here. Now this building over here, the Duomo, you can see up top the rectangular structures. That's the Arab influence. Church is closed. Okay, continuing to walk down here. The store has some beautiful ceramics. This is, by the way, the Corso Umberto. This is the main street here, and there's a lot of side streets. These beautiful ceramics. The Trinacria, as many of you know, that's the symbol of Sicily. And here are some pizzerias, some shops. These side streets with all these stairs are just great, right? Okay, let's continue down the walk. We're heading over to the Piazza April 9th. Why is it called Piazza April 9th, you may ask? Well, they named it April 9th because allegedly that was the day Garibaldi, who ended up unifying Italy, landed in Marsala. The legend has it that it's actually in May, not April 9th, but the people of Taormina decided to use April 9th. Okay, before we enter the piazza, I want to show you, let's look at this beautiful gate. Actually, there's fortifications all around the city and gates like this. And voila, look at this beautiful mosaic of Mary and Jesus. If you walk by here too fast, you'll miss this. And voila! Probably one of the hippest, one of the most visited piazzas in Sicily and in Italy. Can you see over there up top the fort? All around the city. Of course, because the Greeks came here in 734 BC, and then the Romans, the Arabs, there were lots of people that wanted Taormina because of it's a prized possession. It's top of the hill, halfway between Catania and Messina, so it was great for trade. Look at this year's Christmas tree. Usually it's bustling with people, but obviously not today. And this is the Church of San Giuseppe, or Saint Joseph, probably one of the most photographed in Sicily. Clock towel. This is the famous Wunderbar. Famous people have dined here many times, including Alfred and I. And here, my friends, is the beautiful Ionian Sea with Giardini Naxos straight ahead and Mama Etna. She's white today, covered with snow. So hope you're enjoying this little walk here with me. If you are, leave me a comment. Of course, we've got lots of videos on Sicily. Now straight ahead there, I don't know if you can see over there, are parts of the Greek amphitheater, which of course is so famous here. So there you go. Crystal clear December day, the Ionian Sea, Mama Etna, and Taormina. Thank you so much for watching this video. Leave us a comment, subscribe to this channel, and we'll keep you updated. Ciao! Thanks for watching this video of you, me, and Sicily.